Trading crypto has potential, but price move fast. You can lose, you can win 10x before you finish your shitting. But how to know when is a good time to enter or sell? That's why I asked you to follow me, so I can share my trade with you. I want my friend to be able to follow me easily, even if we got no time to learn, no problem. So my friend, how many videos you watch online already? You ready to trade Bitcoin on your own? If you still cannot, then you should start the tab and follow my community. Don't make your heart like a roller coaster every time you enter a trade. My name is Aku. I am a technical trader. Some say the best in my building. You don't think I anyhow trade? I look at technical analysis, on-chain data, leverage trading, order book data, and I ask God when I fall asleep. Another superpower that I use is cloning myself into many types of traders. I imagine I am market maker. I'm Michael Jordan, Michael Taylor, your ex-wife, or my great grandpa. You know, try to think that what will they do so I can have an edge and grow. Lucky for you guys, all you need to do, just click on the link below and follow me.